Slovakia is home to the stunning High Tatras, perfect for hiking and breathtaking views. Did you know that the capital, Bratislava, has a charming old town with vibrant cafes and unique architecture? Next, explore the fascinating Spis Castle, one of the largest castles in Central Europe, steeped in history. Don't miss the picturesque village of Čičmany, known for its traditional wooden houses adorned with intricate patterns. Finally, the Slovak Paradise National Park offers incredible trails and stunning waterfalls, ideal for nature lovers. Which fact did you find most surprising? Let us know in the comments.